So I'm death metal, you're metalcore. That is really dark. We gotta not do that. Teaching a music teacher the basics of skateboarding.
Can a musician learn how to skate? Do I have to like come up with a video and like I could teach him how to play the drums?
Yeah.
Or the guitar. I thought about bringing it, but I didn't bring it because I'm like, well, it's San Francisco and I'm probably gonna have to walk to this place, which I did.
Yeah, that's true. All right, guys, today we're here with
Damien.
And he is a
failure. I'm just kidding.
It was supposed to say music teacher, and he's a
music teacher.
And today we're gonna
learn how to skate.
And then he's gonna
teach Aaron how to skate.
Okay, tell us your entire life story.
Well, one day I was born.
One eternity later.
Let's start here. When did you start doing music?
Okay, that's a great question. When I started doing music, I started at 20. I'm 28 now. All my life, I wanted to do music. I've always been into like extreme sports, like punk music. I got into it because of Tony Hawk. We were talking about it earlier. And I was born and raised with like a single parent mom. My actual father died of cancer when I was 1. So I never knew him and I never got to do anything really because we always lived in apartments. And it wasn't until my stepdad came into my life at 19 and you know, I didn't like this guy, he didn't like me. We got to figure out something to get along with. And he happened to play drums in an 80s band, and they're called Purgatory, and his new band's called Bird Nouveau. You can check it out. And then I started, after a little tangent, but fits in the picture, I graduated high school 2015, and immediately I started working at like a nightclub and doing security, and like for 5 years I just watched bands like play and everything. And just
so you've been around music a lot.
Yeah, and then at 20 I started learning how, and now I'm 28, and it's fun because I've pretty much toured up and down California. My sister is also a drummer, and she went to Germany in her band, which is crazy. So like, it's all in the family at this point, and I taught myself, if I could do it, you could do it. It's like kind of the same motto he preaches, you know, like anybody can learn how to skate, anybody can learn how to do music.
So I'm gonna teach him how to skate, he's gonna teach me music. There's a trade-off.
Yeah, hopefully.
So the big question I have for anybody who ever started skateboarding is, how did you first get interested? Not even like, oh, I'm a skateboarder, but how did you even like spark the interest of skateboarding?
I have a great story, and it's slightly sad.
Oh God, why does it always gotta be sad?
I got into it, I think just because my mom bought me like Tony Hawk Pro Skater, the first one, and I played it. For whatever reason, I can't remember if that's exactly what set it off, but what I do know is eventually my cousin gave me a board. It was like the Zero board with, I forgot the professional skateboarder, but it's him jumping down the stairs.
Jamie Thomas, probably.
It is, that one, but it was a Walmart board.
A Walmart?
It was like a Walmart.
Zero Jamie Thomas?
It was like, I don't know, don't crucify me, but I swear it was not,
I know.
It was not very,
it
was not very good. I would ride that everywhere all day long, and I just really got comfortable with riding. And then the reason why I said it was sad is one day this neighbor kid, because I had to be like 5 or 6 or something, I did not know, you know, certain words, right? And this one teenager kid was like, said, can I break it? And I was like, I don't know what the word means. And so he came up and he just snapped it in half, and I just ended up crying and went home. And it was really sad. But what ended up being the trade-off where it ended up being happy is a year later or something, my cousin took me to Tony Hawk's Boom Boom Hut Jam at the SAP Center, and then I was like, I'm hooked. This is it. This is, can I say this? This is my crack. Sorry, don't say that. Sorry, I'm like, this is my Dr. Pepper. So I'm like, this is what I love.
So leave it in the comments below if you got interested in skateboarding through Tony Hawk Pro Skater, who I just found out, by the way, which is the most sickening news I've ever heard. Chloe has never played Tony Hawk Pro Skater. Leave it in the comments below, please.
Leave what in the comments
Just
below?
What do you think about Chloe and Tony Hawk Pro Skater? We're gonna make a video with Chloe playing Tony Hawk Pro Skater. How long have you been watching Braille skateboarding?
I don't know how long, but it's long.
What's the first video you saw?
I think I started watching you make videos with Lance or whatever like that.
Yeah.
And then because he was super scared, I was like, oh, like if he could do it, I could do it.
Yeah, this is perfect.
And it's like not even a dig or anything. It just literally was like, wow, he's exactly like me. Like, cause like I said, I've been riding for a long time and very comfortable, and I can do a few tricks now, but it took years, and cause I didn't have a father, I didn't have somebody to be like, tough it up, keep going, keep pushing, right?
Yeah.
And so I just would always quit. And then I got into your videos because of him. I don't know, because it just popped up on YouTube like it was trending, right?
Yeah.
And then I was like, wow, this guy looks kind of like me. He looks like a chicken. No disrespect, you know, but like, I was like, and then you guys made a video like how to roll off a curb, and I just followed every step, and I was like, this is pretty easy, but the hardest part is I've always just skated by myself. So there's no one to motivate me or hype me up or celebrate. And then the worst part is now that I'm old, I'm like, man, if I were to fall and hit my head, I would probably die alone.
Yeah, we
Sorry
don't want
if that's really dark.
That is really dark. It was like so happy, then it went straight to darkness immediately and very fast. It's interesting. So, okay, got in through Tony Hawk Pro Skater. I'm always interested because what the goal of Braille skateboarding is getting more new people into skateboarding. So the real trick of that is how do you just interest people to even want to think or try to start skateboarding to begin with? Teaching them once they want to do it is easy, I feel like, but getting them interested is the hardest thing. So Tony Hawk Pro Skater, we definitely got to make some Tony Hawk videos. And then yeah, I do think it's really important to see somebody else who has fear and is getting over that fear. It's funny because Lance would try to talk me into these videos. Aaron, we need to do a video where I roll off a curb. And I'm like, Lance, nobody wants to watch that. It's the dumbest video I've ever heard of in my entire life. And then we do it and everybody loves it. Great, let's get into your tricks and then leave it in the comments below if you want me to learn music. You want me to learn how to play piano?
We're gonna make a song.
Aaron sucks at skateboarding. Do, 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 do. But you're in a death metal band.
Metalcore.
I was just thinking like Aaron sucks at skateboarding. Do, 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 do. And then you come in and you're like, ah! Okay, good. Skate or die. Okay, we're gonna teach you some tricks. We're gonna start with the ollie. Let's see your ollie. So I'm death metal, you're metalcore.
That was pretty good, I'm not gonna lie. That was pretty good.
Ollie. Wow, first try, let's go.
I'm gonna show off to the camera.
Ollie and switch ollie.
Thank you.
Okay, that was very well done.
All right, that's all the tricks I got. I'm going home. Very good night, you guys.
So Skateboarding Made Simple, Volume 1 goes through 7 basic tricks. We're gonna see how many you can do. So ollie's number 1, second one is
Front side 180.
front side 180. That's right. And I already know his pure weakness and his hatred in life. We should have brought a helmet.
Yeah.
I probably shouldn't say that before you do a trick.
Yeah. Thank you.
Okay, front side 180, you got it.
Watch me miss it.
Okay, first try.
Thank you.
Okay, that was good. That was metalcore.
It was jazz. You like jazz?
It was jazz. That was good. Ollie, front side 180 done. Check it off the box. Next trick on the list is a what?
Is a backside 180.
Is a backside 180, which he told me earlier is his most hated, feared, despised trick. But you can frontside 180.
Yeah.
Backside 180 is the most logical, easiest next trick.
True. I used to be able to half cab, which is literally just a backside 180.
Oh, do a half cab. For beginners, sometimes a half cab is easier, guys. Yeah.
You know,
It's easier because of the pivot. Try just a backside 180. You can do it still if you want, not moving. Oh, come on!
What?
He's got a backside 180.
Was that good or bad?
Yeah, that was good.
I've never landed one.
You can do that. Keep your feet on. Okay, this is like the ultimate chicken foot. You are scared. Okay, so you have drilled it in so much to put your foot on the ground. You gotta not do that. Should we put your keys down?
I just put it in my back pocket.
I could never in my whole life skate with keys like that. Backside 180, you got it. He's legendary close. Man, it's tricky because all he really needs to do is leave your feet on and stop putting your foot on the ground. Okay, let's try this. We're gonna do it on a gradient. You ready? Just like on the drum beats, we're gonna
like
just
this?
do like, yeah. I wasn't even gonna go 90, but you went straight 90. So yeah, do 90 first. He's also got the Ren and Stimpy skateboard, which is extra cool.
I don't even know how old this thing is.
Okay, good. First try. Now, more. Another way to think of this is like a pop shove it with turning your body. I mean, Chloe, would we count that?
Absolutely,
I would count that.
All right, I mean, I'll take it.
You can do it better, but I would count it. Yeah.
Okay, I said the half cab's like easier.
It is easier. It's easier because of this. Because when you're going, you can like do a pivot turn like that.
Yeah.
Really easy, right? But if you were to pivot backside 180, you'd have to go like this, which is hard.
That's why I do it this way.
Oh
the
yeah,
nose.
okay, so you can do that. You can backside one. Okay, do a rolling backside 180. This guy. Okay, now just hear me out. Do that with a little pop. Come on.
Can this hear this? I don't know, man.
Yeah,
The board never follows with me.
but you're close. It's practicing this that it's one little piece at a time. You're getting a little better and a little better. You got it, you got it.
Go, half cab, go. Go, go, gadget, go.
Yeah, good.
That was really just a pivot, but I'll take it.
We gotta majorly work on bend your knees though. When you go to do the backside 180, pop it just like you would an ollie. Yeah, do that same thing, but all we're adding in is the upper body is gonna turn like this. Yeah. We're gonna go like turn upper body first, and then the feet.
Yeah, it's closer.
But what's interesting to me is why this trick do you not like? Because you've done it already like 3 times.
I don't know why. I'm just super comfortable with front side, but backside, not so much.
Turn your upper body first, then the feet pop. Yeah. Oh yeah, that's another good practice thing you can do. Stand on the board. This might be hard. This might be getting into hot water. You ready? Body varial. Okay, that way is front side.
I
You got
know.
that way. But do that way. Do that way first. Good, now try the other way. Yeah, you got it. Now just do that and land on there. Yeah, good. Metal core. You got it. You're scared of falling.
Of course I am. I'm
your-
old man now.
Keep your knees bent. He's only 28.
All right, I can do it.
You got this. Remember to bend your knees. I just gotta keep saying it.
I feel like I'm about to like do a dive. A dive into the deep end, backside 180. 3, 2, 1.
You're inches away
For Chloe.
for Chloe.
I'm sorry, I'm gonna fail you.
It's funny, it's all mental.
I did it though.
You're gonna get scared, and that's what's gonna get you hurt.
Oh yeah.
Because you landed on one foot after turning. Because you were like, let me not fully commit. Fully commit, it's much safer.
The chat's gonna laugh at me.
Come on, chat, leave it in the comments below.
Forget heel flips. This is gonna be the whole video.
This is something that he absolutely can do, very, very easy, but his mind is telling him no. Don't put your foot on there. But you can.
Yeah.
You 100% can. Okay, half cab. That was backside 180.
That was.
But now I want to do the body varial. I'm not even like,
come on.
screw the backside 180. Body varial. We gotta push you through this fear. Okay? Isn't it so funny how easy it is for him to turn that direction? It's just the other direction.
I did
got it. Okay, I got an idea.
Okay, I got it.
Start this way and then go that way. We're getting you over the fear of it. What he said earlier is like, I had nobody to push me through the fear. Now here I'm pushing him through like the tiniest fear. He's like, why are you making me do this? Why is it so hard? Like, this is what you asked me to do. I'm doing my job.
Yeah.
Okay, if you land it right here, I'll let you sing the rap
Oh, God.
in this video.
I can do this. I just did it.
You did it! Yeah!
Yes.
Good job! Whoa!
Hooray. Let me do it one
Now
more time.
stay on there.
Confidence.
Confidence. Oh, what?
I'm going home. Thank you, folks. It was a good
Okay,
time.
that was good.
I appreciate it. Thank you.
You did that.
Why was that so hard?
Was that really so scary?
No.
He's like thinking yes, 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 but say no. Okay, that was good.
Thank you.
Okay, you learned fakie, well, half cab. You did do a backside 180. That skill that you just learned, now
Yeah.
you can do a shove it with that, and then boom, back 180. There's like many ways to learn these tricks. You're adding
Little
one
wins.
little skill to the next one, and that's right. Little wins. That's how you progress in skateboarding, little wins.
I mean, if I didn't jump from the floor to the board, then I probably wouldn't have done it.
Exactly.
It would have took longer.
Exactly.
So I guess the big takeaway is like, if you're doing it, you think outside the box.
Exactly.
To try to do something.
Okay, good. Well, I hope this
I'm tired
helped
now.
you.
Just kidding.
And I hope that somebody out there is gonna start riding a skateboard and learn how to skateboard because we made this video. That's the whole purpose. Get out there, get pushing, and keep skating.